Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including ABB, CRISIL, Sundaram Clayton, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Pervasive Commodities Limited share is trading around rupees 12 per share. Pervasive Commodities announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th April 2025. Acme Fintrade India Limited AFIL share is trading around rupees 70. Acme Fintrade announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Acme Fintrade, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th April 2025. Mercury Trade Links Limited, current market price rupees 22. Mercury Trade Links announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date for the stock split yet to be announced by Mercury Trade Links. ABB India Limited ABB share is trading around rupees 5411. ABB India announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 3rd May 2025. Sundaram Clayton Limited Sunclay share is trading around rupees 2186. Sundaram Clayton announced a dividend of rupees 4.75 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 27th March 2025. Naperol Investment Limited share is trading around rupees 1133. Naperol Investments announced a dividend of rupees 9 per share. 27th March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Motherson Sumi Wiring Limited MSumi share is trading around rupees 55. Motherson Sumi announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 28th March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Samvardhan Motherson International Limited Motherson share is trading around rupees 131. Motherson also announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 28th March 2025. TVS Holdings Limited TVS HLTD share is trading around rupees 8900. TVS Holdings announced a dividend of rupees 93 per share, that is 1860%. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 28th March 2025. Kama Holdings Limited current market price rupees 2641. Company announced a dividend of rupees 17.75 per share, that is 177.5%. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 28th March 2025. Bombay Burma Trading Corporation Limited BBTC share is trading around rupees 1773. BBTC announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 27th March is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Vesuvius India Limited Vesuvius current price rupees 4637. Company announced a dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 1st May 2025. CIE Automotive India Limited CIE India current market price rupees 405. CIE announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 23rd April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. CRISIL Limited CRISIL current market price rupees 4187. Company announced a dividend of rupees 26, that is 2600%. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 11th April 2025. Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners Limited current market price rupees 279. Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Dhanlakshmi Roto Spinners. Railtel Corporation of India Limited Railtel current market price rupees 323. Railtel Corporation announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 2nd April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. SBC Export Limited, SBC, current market price rupees 12.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 1000 shares of SBC Export, your 1000 shares convert to 2000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th May 2025. Sanofi India Limited, Sanofi, share is trading around rupees 6098. Sanofi India announced a dividend of rupees 117 per share, that is 1170%. 25th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Sanofi Consumer Healthcare Limited, Sanofi Conner, current market price rupees 4755. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55, that is 550% per share. 28th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Elendas Beck Limited, current market price rupees 9701. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Elendas Beck Limited. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.